has released an official notification on NTA UGC in December 2021 and June 2022 merge cycles. So now you can apply for NTA UGC net through NTA's official website. So the submission of online application starts from 30th of April to 20th of May. So you can submit, the last date to submit your online applications through NTA's official website is 20th May 2022. And if you need to make any corrections in the particulars that you have given in the online application form, you can do that as well. So they have given you a time from 21st May 2022 to 23rd May 2022 in order to make corrections in the particulars that you have submitted in your application form, and other details like when we will be getting the admit cards, or when we can download the admit cards, or when is actually the exam is going to happen. All these things will be announced later through NTA's official website. So keep checking NTA's official website, and the official notifications will be given to you through our Apple Academy's official YouTube channel as well. So thanks for watching and happy learning.